Okay, we'll be doing question number 9, 4.3. Let's read the question first. Two water taps together can fill a tank in this much hours together, okay? The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So there's two pipes, okay? One is small, one is big. The big pipe will obviously take less time to fill up the tank, and the smaller one will take more time, nah? So let's take let time taken by smaller tap be x. Load them on there. So they're saying the tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one, nah? So time taken by larger tap equal to 10 hours less, so x minus 10. Itu smaller by x lo itu. The larger one takes 10 hours less than the smaller one, so x minus 10, right? Now time taken together, okay, by smaller and larger tap together equal to, they've given us 9 3 by 8 hours, which is a mixed fraction. So if we make it into normal fraction, it will be 9 into 8 is 72. 72 plus 3 is 75. I hope you all know how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. Now that we have done that, let me tell you something, a concept, okay? Suppose, let's say there is a tank, okay? Let's say there's a tank, and then for water to be filled up to this much, okay, up to this mark, it takes 1 hour. Let's say up to this mark, another 1 hour, up to this mark, another 1 hour, up to this mark, another 1 hour, this mark 1 hour, and up to fill it up to the brim, it takes 1 more hour. So in total, to fill up the whole entire tank, it takes 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours. To fill up the whole tank, it takes 6 hours, okay? Let's say. So if I ask you in 1 hour, what part of the tank is filled, you would be saying 1 out of the 6. 2 3 4 5 6 out of the 6 part, 1 part of the 6 part is being filled in 1 hour, right? What if the tank was divided into 8 parts, 8 hours, or 8 parts? So you would be saying 1 by 8. It is 6 since it's 6, it takes 6 hours since it's divided into 6 parts. So 1 part out of the 6. If it was taking 8, so you would have said 1 part of the 8, so 1 by 8 per hour. So the total hour is being reciprocal here. The total hour is being reciprocal. If it was 8 hours, it would have become this 1 by 8 to fill up the whole thing. If it would have taken 8 hours, since it's taking 6 hours to fill up the whole thing, it's taking what, 1 by 6. Likewise, the time taken by the smaller tape is x. So part of tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour equal to reciprocal of this, because x is the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the whole entire tank, just like 6, okay? Just like 6 becomes 1 by 6, likewise x becomes 1 by x, okay? Understand that? So part of tank filled by larger equal to, same here, just like 6, now it's taking x minus 10. Instead of 6, it's x minus 10. So instead of 1 by 6, it'll become 1 by x minus 10. So equal to 1 by x minus 10. Okay, Now part of tank filled together in 1 hour equal to part of filled together they were taking this much hours. So instead of 6, now it's 75 by 8. So it'll become same thing, 1 by 75 by 8. Got it? So same thing here also, it'll become 1 by 75 by 8. Now since they're doing it together per hour, I'm gonna together means k as a plus as well na. Therefore 1 by x plus per hour tala per hour equal to this much. 1 by itu reciprocal 1 into 8 by 75. Itu bersama together as well na. So it's they are filling up together means plus, we have to use plus since it's together. So since it's together, we're doing this. So part of the tank by the smaller tap, part of the tank by the larger tap, part of the tank together. So part of the smaller tap plus larger one will be equal to together la. So from here, if we take LCM, it will become like this. X minus 10 will go up, x will go up, equal to 8 by 75. X square minus 10x, 8 by 75. We cannot do anything, so we can just add the x's. Now let's cross multiply. 75 goes up, multiplies with both. Seventy-five twos are 150. 750. 8x square minus 80. Now let's take everything this side. 150 goes to that, it becomes negative. 750 goes to that, it becomes positive. We can do this too. So 80 minus 150 minus plus is also minus 230. See, I can directly start doing from here, split the middle term, or what do you call it, quadratic formula, but I can also simplify it further and do it because I know that this and this is divisible by 2. So if I take 2 out, 4x square minus 1, 5x plus 2 3s are 2 7s are 2 5s are. So 2 goes inside, it becomes 0 only. Now let's split the middle term. 375 into 4. First we have to multiply these two, right? So 5 4 is 20, 0 2, 7 4 28, 29, 30, 0 3 4 2 12, 34 15. So we'll do with this. 5 3s are 15, 0 0, 5 6 are 0, 2 3 0, 2 1 5. 5 is 25, 25 2s are 50, 52s are 100, 100 plus 15. So we're getting 100 plus 15. So 2 to JCD, it takes 4x square minus x. We can write 100 plus 15 plus 375. Now if we open the bracket, it will be minus 100x minus in the plus minus 15x plus 375. From here we can take 4 common, I guess x also common, x minus 25. From here we can take 15 common, so 15 is gone, so x or kita pahari minus like opposite region, so minus this will be 25. X minus 25 will be out, 4x minus 15 will remain. Therefore x minus 25 equal to 0, or 4x minus 15 equal to 0, x equal to 25, or 4x equal to 15, x equal to 15 by 4. let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, when x equal to 15 by 4, because time can be in fraction also. Okay, see, in the question what we took was, we took time taken by smaller tape is x, so smaller tape to 15 by 4 hours later. Okay, suppose then time taken by larger tape should be equal to x minus 10 na? Time taken by larger tape equal to x minus 10. If I put x 15 by 4 minus 10 and take LCM, we will be getting minus 25 by 4, which is rejected because time cannot be in negative, right? It can be in fraction, but it cannot be in negative. So larger tape cannot take minus 25 by 4. So this whole entire thing is rejected. Therefore, when x equal to 25, time taken by larger larger tape equal to x minus 10 equal to 25 minus 10 equal to 15. Therefore, smaller tape equal to 25 hours, larger tape equal to 15 hours. Okay, so in time questions, okay, questions about time and this thing, questions about time and work. In both questions for time and work, you always have to reciprocal. You have to remember that. Okay, you have to calculate in per hour system, then only you'll get the answer. So always remember that part.